Hello and welcome back to the cabin. This is Raspberry Rock and I'm Russell, so they say. Anyway, it's Saturday and today I have to go out and bring a bunch of stuff in from out where my car is. And it's all soffit and fascia, so because Dan and Rick are planning to come back like next week to work on it. In fact, it might even be in this video, I don't know yet. Anyway, I'm gonna bring it in, and I stupidly took my trailer out there earlier this week, Tuesday, because I knew I was going to need it, but I totally forgot that I gotta set it up for bringing in stuff like that. I gotta put plywood on my trailer, so it's because my trailer's not long enough. I can't have this soffit banging on the ground. Anyway, I think I've got an idea on what to do. It's gonna look kind of stupid, but we're gonna do it. And away we go. It is really nice. Anyway, I've got this board, and there's two other boards I'm going to grab at the old, where the old Bridge of Doom used to be. But I don't know where I'm going to put them. I think I'm just going to drag them behind the ATV. Bold. Bold, Russell. Anyway, let's go. Not the most elegant solution. But nobody could accuse Russell of being elegant about anything, right? Am I right? Anyway, I've stopped here because I want to go check out the Beaver Dam again. We got so many suggestions, comments, tips on what to do. Saw something, shadow fly across the sun. And there's an owl that hangs out in this area that we love seeing. We've named him Smokey, which we figured could be good for a girl or a boy owl. Anyway, yes, lots of comments, suggestions, tips on what to do about the PVC pipe in the Beaver Dam. And I think we're gonna do what, like I think I talked about this last video, is I'm just gonna put a cage around it, cage around the inlet. I think that's the best solution. And possibly look at doing a bigger PVC pipe too. Apparently they make them an 8-inch. That would work. Jesus. The dribble coming out there. something stuck in the pipe. I give up. Maybe it'll come out on its own, but I doubt it. So those boards on this trailer, with this thing, I guess they stuffed all the soffit and fascia and J-trim all in one box. That'll make it a little easier, I guess, but man, that's a long box. I'm kind of glad I did this route then of the boards, because my usual plywood trick won't work. This box is like 12 feet long and my plywood is only 8 feet. And I think only one of those boards is 12 feet long. Nice one, Russell. Wasn't bad, it only took 1 minute and 3 seconds. Time-lapse time, anyway. So, yeah, I guess both boards were long enough. I'm not sure what length they are, it doesn't matter. And I tried to keep it from moving on the trailer as little as possible. It wasn't very tight, but it shouldn't shift like back and forth like this too much. And it shouldn't really shift like forwards and backwards at all. I kind of like that they put it all in one box, but I'm a little worried that, you know, they scratched everything up by shoving it all in there. And I'd love to open the box and look at what they did, but it's better if I just leave it all wrapped up like this. Otherwise, I mean, this is good what they did here. Otherwise, things would tend to slide right out. All right, I got a couple of tidy up items here, and then I gotta go. Fine. Yep, water's pouring in the boat. Oh my God. I won't be able to do that side.
Because it's underwater.
Unless I grab a screwdriver. Twice now the wind is. You're gonna have to move out of. Well, I couldn't do it. Got screws in this side, but I couldn't do the other side. The boat was like waving all over the place in the wind, and I couldn't find the plug for the boat. So the boat was quickly filling up with water, and both my feet are soaked now. Like the boat was slowly sinking. But I just couldn't hold on the other side. I couldn't hold the post steady enough and get my hands in the water, and I brought up my screwdriver. I just couldn't do it. So I gave up. Hope I didn't screw up my screw gun. That would be ironic. Wonder how many people watched me do that and said, "Don't put your screw gun in the water." I should have emptied it. Yep. Oh, right. Well, there's probably not much more to this video. Oh, I forgot the... Hold on. That's gotta be a terrible angle in the sun, right? New piece. And thankfully the thing came out of the old piece. Let's see, like this. And I'll have to cut that off a little bit. Somewhere down there. Anyway, this is probably going to be my last... I put that right there. Does that block the sun? This is going to be probably around the end of the video because it's Wednesday. Tomorrow's supposed to rain a lot, and I don't think we'll be getting much more video. Fortunately, City Girl has COVID, so I'm looking after her, and it's only a matter of time before I catch it. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a Friday night live stream. If I'm sick, then I definitely won't be. Anyway, enjoy this beautiful vista for a bit. I'm going to continue working on this. One of the reasons I want to get it done is because since it's going to rain tomorrow, I'm going to use that water to wash out the tote somehow. I bought a mop. I'm going to give it a shot. Oh, maybe I'll video that tomorrow in the rain. Oh, I don't know when this video is going to end. Stop asking. I ain't cleaning that. And look at that, it cleared right up. Nice sunny end of the day. We got about 8 inches of water in the tote after I cleaned it. So that's not bad. It's a good start. Anyway, that's going to be the end of this video. I don't know if we're going to be live streaming this Friday. Or not, depending on how well we feel. Who knows? But at any rate, we'll see you next week. Don't forget to comment. Commenting is the best thing you can do to help out your favorite YouTuber. So pick something you like about the video and tell me what it is. And until next time, peace out.